even after having my name in the roster, I did not get a call for my interview.
Oh, really? You're talking about Kolkata, SDC Kolkata.
Yeah, yeah. So
Yeah,
now I
I don't
started
think
digging
that
for a campus.
I don't think that this should have happened, but okay,
Yes.
I didn't know about this. Fine. So Rakshit, you want to enter into international tax? Hi, Sophia.
Yeah.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening, Sophia. So yes, Rakshit, you want to enter into international tax, right?
Yeah,
So you
definitely.
qualified just now in
Yeah, July.
in July. So great, yeah. So abhi kuch are you preparing something, or are you like, are you studying something, or are you applying somewhere? क्या status है अभी?
Well, I'm applying in every domain possible, every possible domain, you see, just to get an entry level anywhere. Yeah, that's the
Okay.
situation.
Okay. Sophia, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are
So
you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. So tell me, where are you based out of? Like, where do you put up, and what your articleship
I'm from
experience?
Bhatinda. My native place is from Bhatinda. I'm from Bhatinda. Although like Delhi has been my second home, I have done my articleship from Delhi itself, from TR Chadha and company.
Mm-hmm.
Major exposure was in taxation. Although I have done some audits also,
Mm-hmm.
but the major tasks which I performed were under direct tax and in direct tax. In that time, at that time, GST was not introduced, so we used to do VAT and service tax. And
Okay.
yes, that's it.
So
Even I belong to old course student.
you,
I
Rakshit,
also belong to.
you are an old. You belong to old course, and Sophia, you also
Yeah.
belong to old course, right?
Yes,
So you guys cleared it
Yes, sir.
in July,
July
Yeah.
21. Yes,
July 2020, July 2021.
yes.
Okay.
Although unlike Rakshit, I have like decided my specific domain in that taxation, and my interest is mainly towards international taxation, and I'm trying to search out the opportunities for myself. And I've tried also like I'm applying wherever it is possible, where I'm seeing that any opportunities coming for the that taxation. And अभी तक तो like it's like अभी तो कुछ हाथ लगा नहीं है. I'm just
Hmm.
trying my
नहीं,
best.
नहीं, sooner or later things will fall into place. Don't worry.
Yes.
और मंजिल, युक्ता, विजय,
Yes,
हिमांशु.
sir. Yes, sir. Yukta here. How
Hi,
are you?
Yukta. I am good, Yukta. Thanks for asking. How are you?
I'm fine. So
So,
we had a talk over LinkedIn. Yeah.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Well, yeah. Most of you guys, I know you through LinkedIn
Questions.
only.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Yes,
Yukta,
sir.
what is your articleship experience?
So my articleship experience, it was basically mainly into audit department. But for myself, I want to go into the direct tax department. I've done quite a bit of corporate taxation research on my part, like viewing few videos and going through the recent amendments. I also appeared for the interview in PwC. So
Oh.
they had shortlisted me. I went up till the partner round, but then they said that they put me on hold. So
By when did this happen? Like, when did this happen actually? How long has it been now?
actually, it was a real bad experience with PwC because what happened was, firstly, when I dropped in my CV, they told me that if we allow you to give the interview, you will have to join. You don't have the option to like back out if you're selected. So I was like, okay, that's fine by me. But then on the day of interview, they said that we have frozen the hirings. Then again, after 10 days, those people gave me a call that your interview is being scheduled after 3 days. So I was okay with that again. So I gave my final interview for the partner round on 13th October, and it was 2 3 days back when I called the HR. So she was like, "We've again put it on hold."
Okay. So, dekho, Yukta, to be, as
Yes.
far as I know, whatever you're saying, I don't think that, this happens, because I haven't seen anybody, being told ki if you
Has
get
been my
selected, you
personal
cannot back up or
experience.
something, because they do not talk like that. But first of all, if you have added experience, I'm not saying that
Yes,
you
sir.
had not that experience, but it's your experience. But I am hearing it for the quite first time, because nobody talks like this, even out of the big fours or the big fours, that if you get selected, you cannot back up or something. But you have to give some acceptance, and after accepting, if you do not join, then it's not good on ethical
Yes, sir.
ground. So, and also, युक्ता देखो, दो मैं आपको वैसे क्लियर कर देता हूँ that
Yes, sir.
कोई भी कैंडिडेचर होता है वो दो रीजंस की वजह से होल्ड पे रखते हैं.
Yes, sir.
So it is quite common, not with you. It is a quite common scenario that candidatures go on hold. वो there are only two reasons because of which they go on hold. आप सब भी सुन सकते हो, because ये बहुत common है. HR
Okay.
या फिर कोई भी रिक्रूटमेंट पर्सन बोल सकता है आपको, या कोई कंसल्टेंट आपको ये बोल सकता है, रिक्रूटमेंट कंसल्टेंट, डेट आपका कैंडिडेचर होल्ड पे है. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि आप फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिसहार्टन मत हो.
Yes,
आप
sir.
ये मत सोचो कि आपका नहीं होगा या हुआ नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ बोला जा रहा है. अगर नहीं होना होता है तो गुड फॉर्म्स टेल यू ऑन द फेस ऑफ इट, और दे डू नॉट टेल यू एनीथिंग. या
Okay.
तो आपके फेस पे बोलेंगे कि आपका नहीं हुआ है, या तो आपको
Okay.
वो बताएंगे ही नहीं कुछ. So a silence also means that you have not got selected, or you haven't, made through it. But
Okay.
most of the time they tell you on the face of it that, you haven't been selected.
Okay.
Ab agar they have told you that it's on hold,
Yes, sir.
so it is only because of two reasons. First, they are thinking to get somebody better than you,
Yes,
or
sir.
they have
That
some
is
interviews lined up already.
okay.
Second reason, that they are confused about anything, they have some time frame that they do not want to let you go as well. And in the meanwhile, in the time allotted to the HR department, in the time allotted to the recruitment department, they
Yes,
are
sir.
searching for the, other best option,
Yes, sir. I get it.
other best alternative resource. So my suggestion is, in case of holding of candidatures, wait for at least 15 days, 15 to 20 days. Do wait for this time period.
Okay.
And this was it. This was your reply to the holding thing. And let me tell everybody, thank you so much for coming on your weekend evening. And it really means a lot to me. And I hope you guys go